round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Your applause is a part of the celebration. As a couple is going downstairs, let's give them a big round of applause. Okay, wait for my signal. Just have those linen napkin ready. And now also the newlyweds, as they are making the grand entrance, will now release those doves. And once again, here they are, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Chris and Tintin Tanko. Okay, here we go. One for the groom, two for the bride. Have that linen napkin ready. Come on, it's time for us to celebrate. Let's shift our moods from solemnity to festivity. Okay, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, let's swirl that linen napkin to the air. Hep hep. Come on, swirl it, swirl it. Even if the music doesn't agree with our gestures. Okay, come on, Tintin and Chris. And of course with the sword, flaming sword parade. Once again, mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Okay, at this point, let's give them a big, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. and Mrs. Chris and Tintin Tanko. At this point, why don't you clink your glasses? Come on. Make your glasses sound. So that Tin and Chris will kiss each other for 10 seconds. Okay na ba yan?